Hey guys, let's check out what I got from the Fenty Beauty launch at Aura by Fontana to go from this to this using only Fenty products. So at the launch, I bought 3 items in total, and because I spent over 11k, I was able to get a free lip stain as well. First up was the Invisimatte blotting and setting powder. Absolutely necessary because we always in front of the camera for streams and television. The next thing we got was concealer because the skin be skinning these days, so we gotta make sure to cover up those blemishes. And the last thing on my shopping list was a restock of eyeliner. This was the free gift that we got. It was a red Poutsicle lip stain. Absolutely love. And let's do our makeup. So we just went in with a very simple makeup look with the products that we just got, as well as the products from the Fenty collection that we already own. Then at this point in time, Niall called me over to help her get her eyeliner sorted since she was doing her own little try-on haul. And then we popped on some eyeshadow for like a soft, smoky look and some eyeliner. I love me some dramatic liner, so I went in on one side and the other, tried to get it even. Then we went in with a touch of mascara as well. And then we went ahead and tried that new red lip stain that we got. Then we added some setting powder to finish the look. So here's the final look. The next time I'm here, I'd love to pick up the Matchstick color corrector as well as cream blush to add to my collection, but good stuff so far.